Operating a sheet metal press machine requires serious attention to safety. First, I always wear my personal protective equipment, safety goggles, gloves, and steel-toe shoes. It's crucial to inspect the machine before use. I check for loose bolts and worn parts. Keeping my hands clear of the die area is a must. Using tools like tongs keeps me safe. I ensure all safety guards and emergency stops are functional. Before any maintenance, I follow lockout-tagout procedures to prevent accidental startups. A clean workspace is essential. I keep it free of scraps and spills to avoid slips. Only trained personnel should operate the machine, and I never wear loose clothing or accessories that could get caught. Overloading the press? Not an option. I stick to the rated capacity to avoid mechanical failures. Finally, staying alert is key. Fatigue or distractions can lead to accidents. By following these rules, I help create a safer environment for everyone.